Do you believe this deodorant claims it can last 3 to 7 days? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we focus on hair care and skincare. Today I am bringing you all a product review of a natural deodorant that I started using 6 weeks ago called Nude. So I have been on the search for a natural deodorant that will last me a full 24 hours, and I finally found it. It took me a while to actually try this deodorant because they sent me a bunch, or they showed me a bunch of ads on Instagram, and it kept claiming that it lasts 3 to 7 days on average. And because of that claim, I kind of shied away from it. I thought maybe the ingredients weren't good, or that it wasn't really completely natural, or something somewhere had to be wrong with this product. So I just kept ignoring the ads for it. But then finally, after about the 5th ad, I finally went onto their website, talked to customer service to get a better idea of how this product actually works, why it lasts so long, and what is in it. So they explained to me that it is an oil-based product, and that is why it lasts so long, because you are able to rinse your underarms off, get that sweat and bacteria off of your underarms while leaving the product there. So the water will just glide over the product and you are good to go. So yes, you are able to shower after you do apply this product. What I like to do, which I've only gone 3 days with this product on, probably 3 times, 2 or 3 times. I like to apply it every single day just because it makes me feel better and more confident and secure. But if you did want to go the 3 to 7 days, you would apply the product, and then when it comes time to shower, you would just let water rinse down your underarms. Or what I like to do is to cup water in my hand, add some soap to it, swish it around a little bit, and then splash it on my underarms and just rinse it again with water. You definitely would not want to exfoliate or rub your underarms, because that would wipe the product off and it wouldn't work anymore and you would need to reapply. So like I said, I like to apply every single day, but this definitely does last me 24 hours. So I lived in Texas when I started using this, and I was fine walking outside in 100-degree weather. I would do yoga inside. I moved, so I packed up my entire apartment, and I sweat a lot, of course, but I didn't smell. So I was really happy about that. And the reason I cut back from 3 days is because once I hit day 2, after I did a lot of activity, I did feel like I smelled a little bit. And although I was able to just rinse my underarms off and then the smell would be completely gone and I was able to continue on throughout the day without reapplying, I just felt like I didn't want to chance that if I were to go out or do something. So I stick to once a day, and that is what has worked for me. But everybody's body is different, so this may work for a day for you, it may work less, it may work more. I would love to meet the person that it lasts 7 days for. If you are that person, please let me know in the comments, and I would love to talk to you about that because I think that's awesome. But yeah, I'm just not ready to make that kind of commitment yet. So they also stated that they use microsilver to fight the bacteria and the smell. So that is the ingredient that they use. This is the first time that I've ever used a product with silver in it, but it does not absorb into your skin, so it's not harmful to your body, and it has worked for me. So I have no complaints with the ingredients or the effectiveness of the product. I have been completely happy with that. I would like to note that it does go on white. So I did just rub a little bit on my hand, and you can see there, hopefully, that it does go on white, and then after a few hours it does start to disappear. And this has been on for probably 10 hours now, and you can see that it does still have some white residue, but it has faded a lot. And I think it's also because I have been sweating, because it actually got really hot in this apartment. But that's the only con to this deodorant, is that it does go on white and you do have that white residue under your underarms. But I think it is completely worth it for how well this product works, the ingredients in it, and how long it lasts. So I did actually buy some more, and I have 3 bottles of it because this product is from Europe, so it takes 2 to 3 weeks for the product to arrive. So you do have to plan ahead. So since it has been about 6.5 weeks with this product, 2 weeks ago I decided that it was time to order some more so that I don't run out and I have to go purchase something until the package actually gets there. And they were having a special, so I purchased the 2-bottle package, and I got another 1-bottle package for free. And this is the starter package. So here it says that it is super concentrated and it lasts 6 to 7 weeks, effective for 3 to 7 days with 1 application, prevents odor by neutralizing bacteria with microsilver. And let's see what else. Sports, being active or showering have no effect on nude's effectiveness. And it is aluminum free, fragrance free, there are no vague chemicals, and there's no alcohol. I also really like that it is 100% vegan. The tube is made out of sugar cane, and they don't do any animal testing. I also forgot to mention the no clogging and no stains. So I haven't had any clogging under my underarms since I started using this. And I have worn gray, white, black, pink, like whatever color you can think of. And of course I'm sweating because it is a natural deodorant, so it doesn't stop you from sweating. But it has not stained any of my clothes, which is great. And I've had issues with other deodorants, natural and non-natural, that have stained my clothes. So I was very happy that I could use this, sweat, and not worry about my clothes being ruined. But I'll just show you what the bottle looks like and everything when you first open it. And they just give you some directions there. And their website, which is nuudcare.com, and that is where you can purchase the product. So they aren't sold in stores here. You do have to purchase online. And this is the 2-bottle package. So this one says also that it is effective for 3 to 7 days with 1 application. The same thing about sports and being active and showering. It has no effect. But this one says 10 weeks with each bottle. So each bottle should last 10 weeks, and it is a little bit larger. So this one is 0.5 fluid ounces, and these are, oops, see, I've been playing with them so they fall out, but normally they would not fall out. They're secure in there. But these are 0.7 fluid ounces. And they look about the same size, but I guess they just put more in there. I don't know, but we'll see if they last 10 weeks. But it's the same exact packaging, just a little bit larger. And then last thing I want to mention is the fact that this product is $15 USD. It does depend on the exchange rate at the time, so it could be more or less. But I purchased the first one for about $15, and then the pack of 2, it was $30, and then it came with the free one. So it seems like it just ranges around the $15 range when you do purchase the product. But that, and then keeping in mind that you do have to plan ahead with the product. are the only things that are very important to remember when you are purchasing, but otherwise, I completely love this product. Obviously, I have like 4 bottles of it now, and I think I can finally stop searching for a natural deodorant that works for me. This is, and I forgot to mention this is unscented. So that was one thing I did have to get used to. I've never ever used an unscented deodorant before, but I think seeing the application of the product and seeing that it goes on white and me knowing that something is there because I can visually see that the deodorant is there did help with that aspect in trusting the product when I first started using it. But I haven't had an issue with it being unscented. I actually kind of like it because I can then choose a lotion or a spray that isn't overpowered, or I have to worry about how it reacts with the smell of the deodorant. So I am really loving this product. I would love to hear if any of you have tried it or what you think about it. And if you do plan to try it at all. And if you are the one person, again, that this product lasts 7 days for, please, please, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, that pretty much covers this entire product. I hope that this was helpful for you and your decision if you are looking to purchase it. If it was, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you next time.